We did the simulation part in ROS till now, but for the hardware part, you have already seen the robot that we are going to build. But what is the real difference between simulation and hardware, and how it will affect our working in the real hardware? That is important to decode. So let's get into it. For simulation in ROS, we did the gazebo simulation, but we used the drivers and the plugins there, which were relevant for the simulation. Of course, we tried to mimic the real hardware in the simulation, the LiDAR sensor, the driving of the robot, all those things were done in the simulation part. But at the same time, when we dive into the hardware, we have to deal with the real environment conditions. Okay, so we have here two major points: the simulated environment, which is a controlled environment, and a real environment, which is a dynamic environment. So where we can't really 100% mimic the real environment in the simulated environment. The simulated environment can be used to just test the algorithms, but in order to check the real compatibility of the algorithms, we have to test in the real robot or else the real environment itself. So how does it differ? So in the simulated environment, we did the driving, the simulation part, and also the sensor part. But in the real environment, we have the hardware of the robot. So where we have the LiDAR sensor, the motors, the controllers, microcontrollers, the drivers, the microprocessors, all those things are in the hardware stuff, and we have to test that in the real environment. So that is the real difference. So controlling the motors in the simulated environment and controlling the robot in the real hardware is the key difference, right? So let's say this was just an example, but you have to understand the basics of electronics as well. How much voltage you are giving to the motor, are the motors running in a flow or not? All those things should be understood. So the motors are with encoders, without encoders, how you are going to program the microcontroller, how you are going to integrate the sensors, right? The LiDAR sensor, so how will be the reading of the LiDAR sensor? Okay, and then the main part is about the SLAM and the navigation, right? We studied the SLAM and navigation in the simulation part. How we are going to implement that in the hardware stuff, right? Because the SLAM in simulated environment is different because of the controlled structure, and the SLAM in the real environment will differ, okay, because the hardware is different than the simulated one. That is the fact, okay. And then the navigation will also change as per the map building, because as the map will be builded, the navigation will happen, and the real environment is completely different, okay. So that is important to discuss, so I just made it clear. So only the simulation or else the simulated version of the ROS or else the project that you build for the simulation is not enough. You have to jump to the hardware stuff. That is going to make difference, okay. So that was it. So yeah, we will meet in the next video. Till then, grow, learn and explore together.